USB-C technology has revolutionized the way we connect and charge our devices, making it a key feature in modern electronics. Introduced in 2014, the USB Type-C connector offers a universal solution that is both versatile and efficient. Unlike its predecessors, USB-C is symmetrical, meaning it can be inserted either way, eliminating the frustration of trying to connect a cable in the correct orientation. With its small size and robust design, USB-C has become the standard port for a wide range of devices, including smartphones, laptops, tablets, and even some electronics like cameras and gaming consoles. One of the standout features of USB-C technology is its power delivery capabilities. USB-C can deliver significantly more power than older USB standards, making it possible to charge larger devices like laptops quickly. With USB power delivery, you can achieve charging speeds of up to 100 watts. This means that not only can you power your device faster, but you can also use a single cable to charge multiple devices, from your phone to your laptop, streamlining your tech experience. This capability has made USB-C a popular choice among manufacturers and consumers alike, as it reduces the need for multiple chargers and cables. In addition to its charging capabilities, USB-C supports higher data transfer rates than previous USB versions. While USB 2.0 has a maximum speed of 480 megabits per second, USB 3.1, which also uses the Type-C connector, can transfer data at speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. This increase in speed is particularly beneficial for professionals who work with large files, such as in graphic design or video editing. Whether you're transferring high-resolution images or large video files, USB-C delivers efficiency and reliability, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time creating. Moreover, the versatility of USB-C extends to multimedia connectivity. Many USB-C ports support video output, allowing you to connect your device to external displays or projectors. This function is especially useful for presentations or when working at a desk with larger monitors. USB-C can deliver both video and audio signals through a single cable, simplifying connections and reducing cable clutter. This functionality has led to the adoption of USB-C in many new devices, including monitors and televisions, making it a central hub for all your multimedia needs. As we look to the future, USB-C technology is poised to become even more influential in the tech landscape. With ongoing developments in areas like data transfer speeds and power delivery, we can expect to see enhanced capabilities. As compatibility continues to grow, more manufacturers are embracing USB-C, paving the way for a more cohesive and efficient tech ecosystem. From smartphones to chargers and everything in between, USB-C technology is not just a trend, it's the future of connectivity.